Welcome. If you want to use applications in pop-up view in your ASUS Zenpad 3S10, for the first you have to open this application that you want to use. So let's go for the Google Chrome, then click on the Play Store. We can also open contacts. Maybe we can go for Gmail and also for maybe for maps. And right now click here on Outside Arena to get these applications in the background, and right now click here again, and if you want to use it, click on this button right here, then click here again, choose another application and do the same all the time. And as you can see, currently we have 3 applications in the pop-up view. Let's try with another, maybe contacts. Okay, as you can see, it doesn't work. Oh, the Gmail is working. So right now we have 4 applications on the one screen, and this is how it works, guys. Thank you for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel.